Back to trying to beat Gutsman again. Actually, maybe. Let's see what happens. Mega Man looks funny. Actually, that's not Mega Man, so. What the? Okay, that works too. I'm winning? What the? Wait, what? Isn't Mega Man supposed to be, like, strong? Okay, works for me. This is really, really sad. And yet really, really funny at the same time. That's right. Who's Yomada? I don't know what just happened, but I think I like this new person. Mega Man, you epic fail. Maybe I'll try Gutsman. Hey, how much HP does Gutsman have? Gutsman have? What? Oh, okay. Whoa. 130, 180, 170. I'll just stick with Mega Man for now. If I lose again, I am switching him back. Where is my cannon that I just got rid of? Put my shotgun. Okay. I can't believe I'm already 1 minute in. My stupidity saved me. 10 chips? Sure, what the heck. Blah, 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 blah. That just sounded awesome. Whatever, I know. Chip folder. Okay. Lil Bomb. I'm a firing my laser. Heat B. Panel grab is for losers. What? Wait. Oh, one uses this. MB. Ooh, white sword. Navi plus 20. Navi attack. Oh, Navi chip. Buffy. Except I don't have any Navi chips. 100 damage? Ponage. Where is that? Suffering 3 for the win. I'll just put it in there. Buffy. Navi plus 20 white sword. And another power 50 or yeah. Good help. Hate me for slotting. Oh yeah. That took a long time. You just had to watch me like build my deck. Wasn't that fun? Blah 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 blah. Ew, it's a normal Navi 1. These. Wow, it has the same amount of HP. Why am I'm losing. That's just great. Maybe I'll play Battle Network 6. 100 damage? What now? I want to use, I was about to use R, but never mind. Oh, high cannon. Again. Jealousy. Wow. Mary and Ring. I'm ready with my attack of awesomeness. Rang Rang. Or is it Ring Rang? I couldn't read fast enough. Psh. Healer person. Why am I sucking so bad? It's jealous. Oh, I hate that attack. That attack's kinda awesome though. Except that's in the Battle Network. I don't know what it does in here. No! My Uber attack. Oh, okay, that's good. Jealousy. Okay. Let me, I want the roll chip. I want it now. I'm like killing all of her stuff. Heart Slash. She hasn't even damaged me yet? It's pretty sad. Okay, that's first damage. You got pwned. And now I'm starting to die. Huh, you got epic failed. Sucker. Oh, the little bomb is weak, but it like hits a ton of her chips. And Uber pawns them. I got another damage. Blah blah blah. Produce tournament. Time flies. I didn't even know it was 7 minutes in. This is why I have to do so many of my videos. Look over 30. Another high cannon. I should probably figure out what. No! What does jealousy do? Oh. Delete slot UB chip. Oh, that's it? That's sort of sad. That's sort of weird, but okay. I thought it said I have another wide sword. Oh, okay. Battle. Oh. Match none? Sapling none? Oh. Match is like fire match. Yep. Nah. Just do it fire stuff. Huge. You got pwned. I'll probably stop after this battle. Must be safe, Zors. I better not lose this. It'll be like the ending from that Garg 101 video. where I got stuck in his trap of stupidness. Oh shoot, it's still mad, it's gone. I think I'm gonna die anyways. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here.